welcome back to my channel. My name is Dan Ruiz and this is my kitchen. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your support. If you're new to this channel, feel free to share, like, and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos. Today we're going to do spicy crab rangoons. Let's get to it. Let's go ahead and chop our green onion. We're going to finely chop our green onion like so, and then we're going to go ahead and place it aside. Let me get that little white bowl. There you go. Here we go. And now we're going to get our cream cheese. Go ahead and get your 1 ounce cream cheese. And we're going to go ahead and throw this cream cheese into your bowl. Bow, there it is. Go ahead and put our chopped green onions. And then we're going to go ahead and finally chop our crab meat. Now you can use imitation crab meat if you like. And then bam, in the bowl it goes again. With some soy sauce and also some rice vinegar. Little splash, like so. We're also going to need some cayenne pepper for our spice. We're going to need some black pepper and some onion powder. Then we're going to go ahead and mix well together, like so. And that's our filling for our crab rangoons. Alright, let's get our wonton wrapper. Look at that deck of cards, like so. We're also going to need some water. You want to get a spoonful of your filling, place it right in the middle, and then go ahead and sprinkle some water around the edges of your wrapper. And then we're going to go ahead and flip it and turn it into a little triangle, almost like a paper football. You remember those in middle school? You kind of telling my age. Bow, there it is. There we go, magic of TV. One turns into many. Let's go ahead and fry these bad boys. You want to turn your stove to a medium heat with some oil, vegetable oil to be preferred. And then you want to go ahead and place those crab rangoons. Alright, we're going to fry them until they're nice and golden brown. Sort of like, about like so. And there you go, bow. Look at those bad boys. Yeah. Yum, 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 yum. Alright folks, there you have it. Spicy crab rangoons. Let's give it a shot. Your kung fu is no match for mine. See you on the next one.